Hi everyone, welcome to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a kit that I've been waiting for and been really excited about since its announcement by Salvino's JR Models. Which kit? Stick around and find out. And let's find out why it's so special to me. Okay, so let's get into this thing. As many of you know, I am a pretty avid Petty fan and have been since the 60s. For my 14th birthday, my dad took my brothers and I on a little road trip, and the next thing I know, we're pulling in a parking lot and the sign read Petty Enterprises. Oh my. Man, I was jacked up. Well, we went in the office, and let me get this thing out of the way. Went in the office, and the receptionist showed us the trophy room, which was Richard's office at that time. And she asked then, would you like to see the cars? To which she got from me a very resounding, yes, ma'am. So, we opened the door, and the very first thing, oh, hey, stuff for another project. The very first thing that I saw was two white number 11 1971 Dodge Chargers up on jack stands. And then when I opened the door further to my left, there were three Petty Blue number 4371 Roadrunners, and guys were working, and oh man, I was in heaven. And they allowed me to come in and walk around, and my dad even took a few pictures. Unfortunately, we didn't have a flash. The only light that showed up on the pictures from in the shop were the light coming in from the window, so we didn't have any good pictures there. But you know what? I wouldn't trade the memories for anything. Okay, so let's get into this box. First of all, you see which one I chose decal-wise. All right, let's get in this thing. By the way, I really like box art too. Really cool. All right, let's take a look at this body. The glass, I'm pretty sure that's the same one that's in the other Charger. Okay, let's take a look. All right. I'm getting out of the light there. Fuel filler. I wonder. Yep, they did. He even put the marks for the Riverside car, or for the right side filler in there. You can barely see it, but it is there. Awesome. Very nice. The tires and axle. And their tires, if you haven't dealt with them, are really, really good. Let's take a look. I'm pretty sure this chassis is the same chassis that we saw in the 73. We've got the wheels, wheel backs. We've got all of the goodies there. And I'm sure we have the two engines again. Oh, yeah. Great headers, exhaust. Yeah, this is like the other one so far. Suspension components. The old MPC seat, fuel cell. Engine. All right. And of course that famed Salvino's chrome. I didn't see, oh, there they are. I was going to say I didn't see the Steelies, but there they are down there. For this particular car, the steel wheels were the thing. And there they are. Nice hood. All right. The grill inserts for the 71. Yeah, this is awesome. Awesome. Great. Let's get in here real quick. The instruction sheet, which is like the others, I'm sure. Yep. This is great. And of course, those awesome Power Slide decals that we all have come to know and love very much. Got the metallic finish, if you can see that there. Nice. Awesome. I really want to get into this. Unfortunately, I've got, I think, 3 projects kind of ahead of it, but obviously it'll be the white number 11. And do me a favor, guys. I was debating over whether to do this thing out of box or just go ahead and do a full-blown wide open detail job on it. So, hey, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you can't tell, I'm really excited about this particular kit more so than a lot of them I've had in a while. But I have, like I said, I have a few ahead of it that I really, really want to get done. But thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment. And like I said, let me know what you would like to see, a full-blown detail on this one or just out of box. Thanks so much. See you next time.